Hello, welcome back, Chronicles. In this lesson, we will learn about hostname command in Linux. Hostname. The hostname command is used to display the current system hostname, set new hostname, show domain information, display IP addresses related to the host. A hostname is the unique name assigned to a computer on network. It helps identify a machine within local network and over internet. So, basic syntax, hostname, option. If you run hostname without any option, it simply print the current hostname of your system. Now let's go through the most important options one by one. Hostname -a. Display all alias names of the host. If no alias is configured, it might return nothing. Next option, hostname -a. Display all fully qualified domain names. FQDN. This may show multiple entries if several network interfaces are configured. Next option, hostname -b. Use to always set a hostname. If no hostname is set, the system uses the default value. Next option, hostname -d. Display domain name of the system. If no domain is configured, it returns nothing. Next option, hostname -f. Display fully qualified domain names. Hostname -f. Set hostname from a file. Only root user can use this. We have file, cut, file. Inside we write DevOps. So let's type sudo hostname -f and file name, file. Enter. Let's check hostname. We see DevOps now is our hostname. The file should contain the desired hostname. Next option. Let's clear the screen. Hostname -i. Display the IP address of the host. This works only if the hostname can be resolved via DNS or etc hosts. Other option, hostname -i. Display all IP addresses assigned to the system. Unlike -i, this doesn't depend on hostname resolution. Very useful for servers with multiple interfaces. Other option, hostname -s. Display short hostname. Hostname -v. Display version of hostname command. Useful for checking tool version during troubleshooting. Let's change hostname. Sudo hostname sre. This change will last until reboot. Hostname. After reboot, it returns to original value. To change permanently, you should edit the etc hostname file. Sudo nano etc hostname. Replace the hostname name. Enter. Yes, save the file, and you should reboot. Or reboot with sudo reboot command or reload hostname. Sudo systemctl restart system d hostname d. Enter. Now hostname, and we see result. That's all for this lesson. If this lesson helped you, support SRA Chronicles by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, sharing with other Linux learners. See you in the next lesson.